Hammers are some of the most versatile tools, but not all hammers are the same. Today we'll look at 9 of the most common hammer types and how to use them effectively. First, the claw hammer. This is the classic hammer you've probably seen in every toolbox. It has a flat striking face for driving nails and a curved claw for pulling them out. It's perfect for general-purpose tasks like home repairs and woodworking, making it an essential tool for most people. Next is the framing hammer. This is a heavier version of the claw hammer with a straight claw and a milled face to grip nails better. It's designed for heavy-duty tasks like framing and construction, where you need extra power to drive large nails quickly. Then, we have the ball peen hammer. This hammer features a flat striking face on one side and a rounded ball-shaped peen on the other. It's commonly used in metalworking tasks like shaping metal or riveting. If you're working with metal, the ball peen hammer is your go-to tool. The sledgehammer is up next. This large, heavy hammer with a long handle is built for brute force. It's ideal for breaking concrete, driving stakes, or heavy demolition work. When you need serious power, the sledgehammer delivers. Now, let's talk about the rubber mallet. This hammer has a soft rubber head, making it perfect for delicate work like positioning tiles, assembling furniture, or tapping materials into place without damaging them. It's a great tool for tasks where surface protection is key. The dead blow hammer is another essential. Filled with sand or shot, this hammer reduces rebound and delivers controlled strikes. It's commonly used in automotive or assembly work where precision and minimal surface damage are important. The tack hammer comes next. This lightweight hammer has a small, narrow head, designed for tacking small nails or working on delicate tasks like upholstery. Its precise design makes it perfect for detail work. Another useful tool is the brick hammer. One side has a flat striking face, and the other has a chisel-like blade. It's used for cutting and shaping bricks or other masonry materials, making it indispensable for masonry projects. Finally, let's not forget the roofing hammer. This hammer combines a striking face with a hatchet or blade on the opposite side. It's specially designed for roofing tasks like driving nails and cutting shingles, with an integrated nail puller for added versatility. That's it for today's rundown of the most common hammer types. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more construction and DIY tips.